Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've linked this robot vacuum below with a nice discount running right now. Check that out first if you want to grab it while the price is down. Today we're looking at the ECOVACS DEEBOT T80S Omni, and this is one of those robot vacuum and mop combos that genuinely tries to replace your entire cleaning routine, not just vacuum the middle of the room. Suction is rated at 24,800 pascals, which is seriously strong for a robot vacuum. It's pulling dust, pet hair, and crumbs out of carpet and hard floors in a single pass, so you're not running it twice to get the same spot clean. The mop side is where this one stands out. It uses a self-cleaning roller mop that actually scrubs the floor in real time instead of just dragging a wet pad around and pushing dirty water in circles. And it cleans itself as it goes, so you're not smearing dirty water back onto your floors. There's a triple lift system that handles the messy situations automatically. If it detects liquid, it lifts the brushes and switches to mop-only mode. On carpet, the roller lifts up over half an inch so your carpet fibers stay dry. Dust and spills get handled completely separately, so there's no cross-contamination between the two. Edge cleaning is handled by what they call TruEdge. The roller mop physically extends out to hug walls and furniture legs, so you're not left with that dust line along your baseboards that most robot vacuums just skip over. And if you've got pets, there's a ZeroTangle brush system built specifically to stop hair from wrapping around the roller, so suction stays strong even with heavy shedding instead of dropping off after a few runs. This is the T80S Omni model, and right now it's around 26% off the list price, so if you've been thinking about upgrading to a robot vacuum that actually mops properly, this is a good time to look at it. I'll leave the link in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.